Hello friends, my name is Saurav. Today I'm going to talk about how to export or download Google Analytics report. You just log in with your Google Analytics account and select your report, which type of report you want to download. And here are five type of reports, and you can go anywhere, any type of report, any kind of report. You can download easily in Google Analytics. Here are the options. You can save, export, share, edit. So click on export and here you can there are four format to export or download this port. So I will just to download in Google Sheet or Excel. Here you can see, you can customize this report as well. So this is Excel file, datasheet 1. This is so this is the main report for channel group. You can edit, you can type here traffic source. You can customize this report accordingly your requirement, and you can beautify this report uh, like this. I don't have enough data. That's why the report is looking not much pretty right now. But in your case, you can modify this accordingly. So it's very simple. And you can remove any like you don't have goal value, then you can remove this column or row. It's up to you what you think you want to take and what you think you want to. Here you can see the average. So this is the way you can export and download. And if you want to download from there, everywhere you can see, suppose you have a custom report, there is also a export option on the same place. So you can do it for anywhere, from anywhere, and you will see this option every time here. So thank you so much for watching my video. You can contact me here for any query, and subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you so much.